What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. I'm gonna do a little bit of a burger crawl today. I'm gonna hit up one from each category, I think. I'll do we'll do a fast casual, a bar burger. Then we'll do a steakhouse style, and then we'll do a gourmet. For the fast casual tavern style, I'm going to Tanner Smith's, which is one of my favorite bars in Midtown. It's speakeasy themed. Feels like it's been there forever. They serve incredible cocktails. Smoked old fashioned there. One of my favorite drinks in the city. They do like spiked gin drinks and like a tea. It looks like they serve it in like a tea service set. Really cool. Throwback to that speakeasy era where you had to hide what you were drinking in the vessels that you were drinking them from. But they have a good smoked burger. It's like thin patty, I guess like 4-ounce patties. I usually get the double with American. They have like a red onion and bacon jam on it, which is really nice. So I'm looking forward to that. It's been a while since I've had it. There's another place in the restaurant group that's also got a good burger. So this bar, Tanner Smith's, is also in a restaurant group with some others like Haswell Green, I think a Mexican joint, Vita Verde or something. Come on, guy, really? But they all serve up great burgers, and they're all similar, but they have a distinguishing factor about each of them that kind of sets them apart, and it was worth trying at each different spot. And Haswell Greens is kind of like a normal double, but this one at Tanner Smith is smoked, and that's kind of what sets it apart. I like that. It's different, it's unique. So that'll be my first stop, and heading there now. I'm on 3rd Avenue going uptown. Am I on 3rd Avenue? I don't even know. I'm just going in the correct direction. I think I'm on Madison, actually. And Madison is bumpy as hell, so I gotta make a mental note not to take this again. So this place is like 50, I want to say 54th or 55th. In between, I guess like Broadway and 8th or 7th and Broadway. So I'm just gonna cut left here at some point and right across town. That's a little better now, less bumpy, but still annoying. I can see them, potholes, bumps. But it's a little bit more peaceful now that I'm out of the Midtown area, the Midtown traffic area, like 42nd. Now it's a little bit nicer. It's a weekend, you know, so there's no business traffic here. It's just people going about their weekend. So 53rd, let's see, I'll take a left on 55th, and I think that's the street it's on. They got the street closed off. Closed for them, but not for me. I'm riding across it. I don't know what's going on. I guess they're doing some road work, but bike lane's fine. tourists. Okay, so I think I just got to cross 7th Avenue and then it's up on the left. It's busy. Busy little street. Not far from work. Not far from my old neighborhood before I had the bike. I used to live on Central Park South. There's a lot of good bars and places to eat around here, actually. Despite it being, you know, Midtown bank and law firm central, it's actually not bad. All right, this is it right here where it says bar. Right here, Tanner Smith's. All right. See you on the inside. All right.
This is lovely.
So that was a good one. I didn't get video. I got to see if I can find some old video in my files. Totally forgot. But now I'm going to meet up with a couple of buddies to try my second burger here. Legasea Bar and Grill. It's in, you know, Times Square area of madness on 36th and 7th Avenue. My buddy Dave is the guy that supplies them with their meat, and they named the burger after him. It's called Dave's Burger. So that's what we're going to try now. We gotta sink our teeth into that. And it's a it looks like a steakhouse style burger from what I can tell. So this will be the second category of burger. First, Tanner Smith's was the oh, a lot of birds. Tanner Smith's was, you know, fast casual tavern burger. Although the smoked aspect of it almost makes it gourmet, but one down, 2 to go. Second one coming up. I got to do a little zigzagging to get over here because in this part of town, Broadway and 7th kind of crisscross like an X pattern going through Times Square. That's why you have all those weird buildings up ahead, like on the edges of buildings. What's going on here? Yeah, so 7th, I gotta stay straight. Usually up ahead I turn left and continue down Broadway. But that'll take me around the back of the place, so I don't want to do that. I'm just going to stay on 7th. And I think it's right up on the left at 36th Street, so I don't have very far to go. But I will say that Tanner Smith's burger holds up, man. The last time I had it was probably a couple years ago, and I always loved it. But it really hit the spot today. They did a great job with it. Really liked it. Pickles on the bottom. Got that nice red onion bacon jam. Punches up the flavor a lot. Really nice. So Legacy Kitchen, I think, is connected to like the Moxie Hotel here, because we also at Golden Package supplied the meat for that hotel too. You know, dry aged strips, burgers, all the good stuff. Filet mignon, everything you want. All the good meat. And I haven't been here, so this will be a first for me. See how it goes. Let's see, what do we got here? 38. All right. Yeah, I think I see it up there. There it is. Legacy. All right, pull over here. You're gonna be in the riding review.
Oh, and here we go. All right.
Welcome back, gang.
Did you know that guy who walked in?
Dave's Bar Burger. There's the Dave.
Now we're too quick in my food. Yeah, I meant that cheese.
Yep.
Yeah. Cinco de Mayo.
5 mayonnaises.
5 mayonnaises.
All right, 2 down. 2 down. Legacy was good. When it came out to the table, I wasn't expecting much because the slice of tomato on there was thick, and the burger was thinner than smaller and thinner than I thought it would be. I thought it was gonna be like an 8-ounce patty. It looked more like 6, but I guess it still has that steakhouse feel to it. I don't know. I guess you could kind of put it in the fast casual category too if you wanted. But it ate like a real good diner burger almost, I would say. The meat is spectacular. It's prime ground up strip steaks, so you can't beat that. This next spot I'm going to is downtown. Yeah, place is called Jack and Charlie's. I've been here a couple times before, haven't had the burger yet, but I have had their prime rib, which is incredible. Also, it's another Golden Packing account. And same thing at Tanner Smith's, as a matter of fact. Get the meat for them. The prime rib, as I was saying, is fantastic. They do a great steak tartare, roasted chicken. So I think we're gonna try a lot of stuff because right for now we've just kind of snacked on a little bit of burger action. So we're gonna sit for like a dinner. Hopefully I can finish everything. But yeah, this will be a nice one. This place is downtown in the West Village, right near actually where Corner Bistro is, another famous New York burger spot. Serves up a pretty good burger. Everyone likes to say it's the best, but I don't really agree. It's good, not great. We got a lot of traffic on 7th Avenue. A lot of daytime traffic. Weekend, which is weird. But yeah, Jack and Charlie's is owned, operated by Chef Ed Cotton, who was became very well known because he did an incredible job on Bravo's Top Chef. I think it was season 4, or was it 7? I don't remember exactly what season it was, but yeah, he was awesome. So this is his spot, and it opened up, like I would say, 1.5 to 2 years ago, and it's been crushing it ever since. The interior is beautiful. Did such a nice job with, like, you know, decor. There's a nice fireplace in there. It used to be a pizza shop, so they have this awesome brick oven, pizza oven in there, and what they did was they kind of made that area where there used to be like a little countertop where you'd place your order. They made that like a high top bar seating area, and you can get like raw bar stuff there. You can get you can watch them make all the steaks that they fire in that brick oven. It's really cool. I love the place. It's a great spot. So I'm excited to try the burger. I know it comes with some thick bacon on it and some chefed up items, so I'll call it a gourmet. I'll call it a gourmet, but it might actually be somewhere in the middle of gourmet and steakhouse, because I think it's a thicker patty. Let's see if I can get around these guys. I just got to take this turn here on 13. Idiots going the wrong way, looking at me like I'm doing something wrong. Okay, so I think it's just up here on the left at this next corner. Jack and Charlie's. They do a prime rib sandwich on the weekends. I gotta get in there for that. I know we're not gonna do it today, but I gotta try that. All the leftover prime ribs shaved up into a sandwich. Here it is. See you on the inside.
You just woke up Dave.
Good. Tuna.
He's Microbiomedics. They were the fastest growing wholesale distributor. What is that guy? Who is he? Right? Is he a food critic? Love it. I love it.
Whoa, look at that juice is coming out. Look at that pasta.
Delicioso. Uh-oh. Is he going back now?
I think so.
Oh, no.
He's going back for round 2. That looks good. All right, Jack and Charlie's. What a meal. Definitely feeling full after that. Prime rib always lights out. Really could have been a separate riding review just for that one restaurant, but I will put it together with all the burgers we tasted today. What a place. The roast chicken is great. I always love their always love those baked clams. So good. Swipe that bread in that lemon butter sauce. Oh, so good. Wine, lemon, butter. That nice country bread. Fantastic. The prime rib is definitely stand out. They give you that deviled bone, which is cool. Burger was solid. Really liked it. I probably would do it next time without the bacon on it, just because it's a thick piece of bacon and it eats a little awkward, but really tasty. Really good char on the meat. Also really like their hen of the woods mushrooms. I think that's what they are, hen of the woods mushrooms. Always so nice, flavorful, meaty. Snappy crunch to them. Does a great job. Ed Cotton, Chef Ed Cotton. Give him a follow on Instagram. Check out all that he's done. Food is great. Let's see, what's this, 5th? I'll take this turn here. I like coming up on the arch here. It's kind of cool. So let me know what you think of these burgers I tried. Let me know what you think of Jack and Charlie's if you've been there. Make sure you like, make sure you subscribe, tell your friends, tell your family, and tell your fucking grandma.